Hi everybody, this is Neha and I'm back with another video. So today I'm going to talk about how you can change your Facebook page URL as well as the display name. So URL is basically the username that you set up for your page, whereas display name is your page name which shows on your Facebook page like this, you see. So without wasting much of your time, let's just get started. So this is my agency page called Conversion Monks. So you have to pull that your page after logging into your personal profile. And once you do that, this is the kind of screen that you're going to see. And on the left panel on desktop, you should click on settings. Once you click on settings, you have to see some other options here. Do not get confused between page details because that's not the place you have to go. You have to click on page setup. Just click on page setup and after that, name. So these are the two things that we are going to change now. One is conversion marks, right? So this is your agency name or your page name that you can have. Whereas now you need to make sure that whenever you're changing the name, you do it cautiously because you won't be able to change it for another 60 days. So make sure there are no typos, otherwise it's going to create a problem for you. Um, so that's your name. And then, of course, if you want to change the URL, like conversionmonks.com, so that's the username which is available. So you want to make sure that whatever name, like the page URL that you're trying to set up is available. So you can write down and see, for example, if I say conversion, it says username is not available. But my agency name is Conversion Monks, which is available, so I don't have to do anything. Okay. So that's pretty much about this video. I hope you liked it. If you like it, then give it a thumbs up or share your comments and probably share it further with your friends as well. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.